Good morning all students. Once again welcome on online classes. Today we will discuss of class 10 maths lecture 4 chapter 14 statics. In lecture 3rd we already studied that how we will find out the mean using direct method, using the assumed mean method, and third one is the step deviation method. After that we also discuss that how we will find out the mode of group data and how we will find out the mode of ungrouped data, that we already studied in lecture 3rd. In today lecture 4, we will discuss exercise 14.3, that is about the how we will find out the median of grouped data and ungrouped data. So in today lecture we will discuss that students how we will find out the median of grouped data and ungrouped data. So we will discuss median of grouped data and median of ungrouped data. So generally we know, then what does meaning of median? Median means the mid value of the observation is known as the median. If any observation is given to you and they are already arranging in ascending order or descending order, then generally we will find out their mid value, that will gives us the median value. So median is nothing but the mid value of the observation is known as the median. Meaning is that mid value of observation. Mid value of observations is called as the median. Now we will discuss median of ungrouped data. How we will find out the median of ungrouped data? So for finding out the median of ungrouped data, firstly, given observation either we will ascending order or we will arrange in descending order. गिवन ऑब्जर्वेशंस को या तो आप असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में रीअरेंज करोगे या फिर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में रीअरेंज करोगे. देन आफ्टर वी विल फाइंड आउट द मीडियन. अंडरस्टैंड? सो फर्स्टली we will rearrange the given observation either in ascending or descending order. Firstly, we will rearrange the given observation either in ascending or the descending order. After that, case first, if number of observations are odd, meaning is that n is odd, in that case the median is n plus 1 upon 2th term, that will gives us the median value. So case first, if the number of observations are odd, then how we will find out the median, students? N plus 1 upon 2th term. Case second, if number of observations are even, meaning is that n is even, then how we will find out the median? In that case we will find out the median is n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 term is divided by 2. That will gives us the median value. So in ungrouped data we will find out the median using two different ways. First, if number of observations are odd students, then their median value is given by the mid value n plus 1 upon 2th term. And if the number of observations are even, then their median value we can calculate using n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. Understand? Any problem? So in ungrouped data, we discussed two cases. First one, when the number of observations are odd. Second, when the number of observations are even. Then how we will find out their median value. Now we will discuss some examples. Example is that find the median of first 9 odd numbers. So how we will find out the median of first 9 odd number? First 9 odd numbers are given by first 9 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 17. These numbers are already in ascending order. Here the number of observation are odd 9, which is odd. Then its median value is given by median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2th term. So n value 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. So 9 upon 2, 10 upon 2th term. So 10 upon 2, that is 5th term. So what is the number which is present on its 5th place? 5th place पे students कौन सा number है? 9. So what is the median? Median is 9. So answer is median is the 9. Understand? So here the number of observations are odd. So the median value is the 9 will come. Now next question, we will discuss when the number of observations are even, then how we will find out the. So consider here, find the median of the first 10 odd numbers. So first 10 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these numbers are already in ascending order. So here n is even, which is 10. So how we will find out student median? Median is equals to n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 term is divided by 2. Now substitute value n, 10 upon 2th term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. 10 upon 2 is 5th term plus 10 upon 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6th term divided by 2. So which number is present at 5th place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th place is 9 and 6th place is 11. Substitute 9 plus 11 upon 2. 20 upon 2 is the 10. So what is the median? Median value will come 10. Understand? So if number of observations are even, then different formula in ungrouped data. And if number of observations are even, then different formula. Any problem? No. Now next type question देखो, इसी question में क्या changes हो सकते हैं? Question is here. median is equals to 10. Question is find a value of x. आपको x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है एंड देयर मीडियन इज गिवन टू यू 10. देन हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द x वैल्यू? सेम क्वेश्चन हियर n is even and what is the median value? 10. So median formula is equals to n upon 2 term plus n upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. Median value 10. n upon 2 10 upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2, 10 to 20. Fifth term plus 6th term. After 20 equals to fifth place number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Sixth place number x. Then here 20 minus 9x. What is the value of x? X value will come. Understand? So formula तो आपको यूज करना है, ओके? बट क्या है, क्वेश्चन में चेंजेस है. चेंजेस क्या है? इफ देयर मीडियन वैल्यू इज गिवन टू यू, देन हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ द अननोन. सो दैट इज द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन अनग्रुप्ड डाटा. एनी प्रॉब्लम? नाउ वी विल डिस्कस मीडियन ऑफ ग्रुप्ड डाटा. हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट मीडियन ऑफ ग्रुप्ड डाटा. So now our topic is median of grouped data. How we will find out the median of the grouped data? For that, firstly we will find out the median class. So to find median of grouped data, firstly we will find out median class. Then after that we will use formula. So here median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon f multiplied by h. And here like mode, here also necessary is that the class interval must be equal and class is in continuous form. क्लास इंटरवल क्या होना चाहिए आपका? इक्वल होना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग क्या है? क्लास किस में होनी चाहिए? कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए. दीज आर द टू नेसेसरी कंडीशन टू फाइंड आउट द मीडियन. Now here we will discuss then what is the L, what is N, what is CF, what is F and what is the H. So where L is lower class limit of median class. Second, N is sigma Fi, sum of all frequencies. Sum of all frequencies. CF is the cumulative. CF is known as students cumulative frequency, just preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. F is the frequency of median class and H is the class size or class interval. Okay, so here L is the lower limit of the median class, N is the sigma of Fi, which is the sum of the all frequencies, CF is the cumulative frequency just preceding the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, and H is the class size over the class limit. Okay, so condition I already told to you that class interval should be in a continuous form, and second condition that is in continuous form. Now we will discuss question. How we will find out the median? So question is that find the median of following. Class interval and frequencies given to you 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3 and 6. Then how we will find out the median? So before to find out the median, firstly we will find out here median class. मीडियन फाइंड आउट करने से पहले क्या फाइंड आउट करोगे स्टूडेंट्स? मीडियन क्लास. देन हाउ विल फाइंड आउट मीडियन? फॉर दैट वी विल फॉर्म हियर वन न्यू ब्लॉक दैट इज नोन एज कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ब्लॉक. क्या बनाओगे? कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ब्लॉक फॉर्म करोगे. एंड हाउ वी विल मेक द कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ब्लॉक? तो कैसे बनाओगे? फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी एज इट इज 1, 1 में 2 ऐड करो 3, 3 प्लस 5 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. Any problem? Cumulative frequency meaning is that we will add their frequencies. First frequency as it is now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus then 20. Now how you will check that your cumulative frequency block is right or wrong? आप ये कैसे चेक करोगे that cumulative frequency block आपका right है या फिर wrong है? That firstly we will find out here sigma fi which is n. इनका total calculate करो 6 4 10 13 14 15 16 16 5 21. The sum of all frequencies is equal to the last observation of the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency block का last observation total frequencies के equal आ रहा है. That meaning is that your cumulative frequency block is right, otherwise wrong. Understand? Sum of all frequencies is equal to the last observation of the cumulative frequencies. Now we will find out n by 2. So what is the n? 21. 21 upon 2 is 10.5. 10.5 just greater value from CF is 10.5 से just greater value क्या है? 12 है. So to find out the median class, firstly we will find out the value of n by 2. After find out the n by 2, we will take its just greater value. n by 2 से just greater value लेनी है आपको. So n by 2 value क्या है? 10.5. 10.5 से just greater value देखो CF block में क्या है? So what is the just greater value of 10.5 from CF? That is the 12. So just greater value from CF is 12 है. So corresponding class of 12 is median class. So what is the corresponding class of 12? So here 40 to 50 is मीडियन क्लास। सो दैट इज द मीडियन क्लास। ये क्या बनेगी आपकी मीडियन क्लास फॉर्म होगी, दैट इज मीडियन क्लास। Now after finding out the median class, we will find out what is L, what is H, what is CF, what is F. Here F frequency of the median class, CF क्या था, median class से just preceding value, so that is the CF. So here L lower limit is 40, CF is value of CF 8, F is 4, N by 2 value is 10.5 and H is 10. All values we find. Now these values we will substitute in formula, then we will find out the answer. Okay, now values find out कर लो. Now median equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF अपॉन F मल्टीप्लाई H। वैल्यू पुट करो, L वैल्यू 40 प्लस N बाई 2 10.5, CF वैल्यू 8 डिवाइड F वैल्यू 4 मल्टीप्लाई H वैल्यू 10, सिंप्लीफाई। सो हियर मीडियन इज इक्वल्स टू 40 प्लस 10.5 माइनस 8 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 अपॉन 4, 40 प्लस 25 अपॉन 4, 40 प्लस 25 4 6 6 4 जा 24 डेसिमल 1 4 to 8 425। सो क्या बनेगा 46.25 is its median. Now how you will check that your median answer is right or wrong? So यहाँ पे देखो स्टूडेंट्स, मीडियन क्लास क्या सिलेक्ट की है, विच वन इज द मीडियन क्लास, मीडियन क्लास इज 40 to 50 एंड व्हाट इज द मीडियन वैल्यू 46.5, मीनिंग इज दैट योर मीडियन इज करेक्ट। ओके, आपने जो क्लास सिलेक्ट की है उसी में क्या है मीडियन वैल्यू लाई कर रही है, मीनिंग इज दैट योर आंसर इज राइट। अंडरस्टैंड? सो इन दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन द इम्पोर्टेंट इज दैट हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द मीडियन क्लास। आपको क्या है इंपॉर्टेंट, मीडियन क्लास फाइंड आउट करना। एंड मीडियन क्लास कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे आप, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ n by 2। n by 2 से जस्ट ग्रेटर वैल्यू आपको सिलेक्ट करनी है CF ब्लॉक में से, corresponding class is known as the median class. After finding out the median class, we will find out the value of L, CF, F, n by 2 and H. These all values we will substitute in the given formula, then we get the answer. Understand? Now next question, that is very very important question. जो भी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं very very important question है। Very very important question, that if median is 525 and total frequency are 100, then find a value of x and y. Very very important question, asked 2 to 3 times in CBSE board examination. Then find the value of x given to you here. Class interval and frequency is given to you. So class interval is given to you 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, and last is that 800 to 900, and last 900 to 1000. क्लास इंटरवल गिवन आपको 0 to 100, 100 to 200, that all. Now their frequency is 2, 5x, 2, 5x, 12, 17, 20, y9, y9, 7 and 4. That is the question. If the median of the following observation are 525 and their total frequency is 100, then find the value of x and y. क्लास इंटरवल फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या चेक करोगे, कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में है, दैट इज इन कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म. क्लास इंटरवल शुड बी इक्वल. नाउ फाइंड आउट मीडियन. अब मीडियन के लिए नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक क्या बनेगा स्टूडेंट, सी एफ ब्लॉक. सो थर्ड ब्लॉक इज द cumulative frequency block. So how we will find out the cumulative frequency block? By addition. 2 as it is 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus x, 7 plus x. Then 12 plus 7 plus x is the 19 plus x. 19 plus x plus 17. x तो as it is रहेगा, ऐड किस में करोगे, 19 और 17. 19 plus 7, 26, that is 36 plus x. 36 plus 56 plus x. 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y. 56 plus 9, 56 plus 9 is 65 plus x plus y. 56, 65 plus 7, 65, 70, 72 plus x plus y. And last observation is 76 plus x plus y. Right? Now we will add that one also. अब इनका एडिशन आप कैसे चेक करोगे कि आपका cumulative frequency block is right or wrong? Their sum also will come. 76 plus x plus y add करो. 5 to 7, 7 and 12, 19, 36, 56, 56 plus 9, 65, 72, 76, x plus y, right? Now, median is 525. So, median class 525 where lies? Here. So, that is the median class. ये क्या बनेगी आपकी median class. So median class is 500 to 600 because 525 lies between 500 to 600. So median class क्या होगी, 500 to 600. So L is 500. What is F? Median class है, ये क्या बनेगा, CF, that is F. F is 20. What is the value of CF? 36. CF, F, L, H is 100. And what is n by 2 is the 50. So first equation क्या होगी, n sum of all frequencies क्या है आपका 76 plus x plus y. इनका एडिशन करोगे, सिग्मा ऑफ एफ आई इज इक्वल्स टू n, वो क्या आ रहा है 76 plus x plus y. बट इन क्वेश्चन टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या गिवन आपको 100. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 76 plus x plus y 100. सो x plus y 100 minus 76. सो x plus y 100 minus 76 is the 24. Equation number. Now second equation we obtained from the formula. Now median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substitute the values. Median value 525 is equals to, what is the value of L? Lower limit is 500 plus n by 2. N by 2 value 50 minus bracket 36 plus x upon F is, what is the F? 20 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100. इसको लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर करोगे, 525 माइनस 500 सिंप्लीफाई करो, 50 माइनस 36 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 20 मल्टीप्लाई 100. 25 ये किससे 20 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा 14 माइनस एक्स मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो क्या बनेगा 15 500 अपॉन 100 14 माइनस एक्स, सो 14 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 5 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 5 माइनस 14 माइनस एक्स माइनस 9, सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स 9. अंडरस्टैंड, ओनली क्या किया वैल्यूज पुट किया है, सो वैल्यू ऑफ x इज द 9. दैट x वैल्यू वेयर वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दैट x वैल्यू पुटिंग x इक्वल 9 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में पुट करो, सो 9 प्लस y 24, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y 24 minus 9 which will come 15, so x is 9 and y is the 15. Understand? So क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, मीडियन वैल्यू ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ मीडियन यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द मीडियन क्लास. मीडियन वैल्यू गिवन है, मीडियन क्लास फाइंड आउट कर ली, ऑल वैल्यूज यू नो सब्स्टिट्यूट द फॉर्मूला. ओके, अब आप देखो टोटल सम की फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या आ रही है 76 प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई आ रही है, बट सम ऑफ टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑलरेडी गिवन टू 100. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन यहाँ से, सेकेंड इक्वेशन यूजिंग मीडियन फॉर्मूला. So that is the all about the median of grouped data. Understand? So today we discuss how we will find out the median of grouped data. So after watching that video, all students complete exercise 14.3, that how we will find out the median. Understand? Thank you.